Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about time scaling, okay? So let's say I know the formula for Laplace transformation of ft, right? Let's say it is fs. Now I need to know what is the Laplace transformation of fl alpha t. Let's say I know the Laplace transformation of sin t, right? Okay, I know this, okay, but I don't know what is the Laplace transformation of sin phi t. In the previous videos I proved this to sin 80. Let's say I don't know sin phi t. Let's say I don't know sin 80, but I know sin t, right? There are some situation like that, right? So I don't know this one, right? Let's say it is a question. Okay, so I need to find this. In this theorem it says it is 1 over alpha times fs over alpha, right? Let's prove this. So let's consider Laplace transformation of f alpha t. From the definition it is integral from 0 to infinity f alpha t times e to the minus st dt. This is the definition. So I'm going to take the substitution like, let's see, it is alpha t, right? So dz is alpha dt because alpha is a constant. So when t tends to 0, z is also going to 0, and when t is going to infinity, z is also going to infinity if alpha is positive, right? Okay, so this is it. So Laplace transformation of f alpha t is equals to integral from 0 to infinity. It is f z e to the minus, now there is no t, it is only alpha, right? So it is z of alpha minus s times z, here e to the minus st, right? There is minus s, so I have to multiply by t. T is z of alpha, so it is that. So there is dt is dz over alpha. Okay, so dz of alpha. Okay, so this is, now I'm going to take 1 over alpha outside from the integral. So this is 0 to infinity f z e to the minus s z over alpha, right? dz. Let's shift z to t, so it is, so then I have 1 over alpha 0 to infinity ft times e to the minus s of alpha times t dt, right? Okay, so this is 1 over alpha. This is the Laplace transformation of ft, right? So, sorry, we know Laplace transformation of ft is fs, right? So in the previous video I told about that this is this is f alpha t. Sorry, in the previous video I told this is the s, right? So here in this integral I have s of alpha, right? So this is Laplace transformation of, this is f, so s is s of alpha, right? So I hope you guys understood, right? What I basically said is, let's tell me, okay, I will tell you again. Laplace transformation of ft is fs, right? So here this is the s term, right? So here s is s over alpha. So this integral is this is f s over alpha, right? Because s is here s over alpha. So this is f s over alpha, right? So I have basically proved this one, right? Laplace transformation of f alpha t is equals to, it is 1 over alpha times f f s over alpha, right? Okay, so in the next video I will solve some examples, right? So let's meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.